What's up everyone, welcome to Ben's Car Reviews. I'm Ben and today we'll be dissecting the 2024 Acura MDX. Let's get right into it with the chart. You're going to have 6 different ways to get your 2024 MDX, ranging from the base, starting you off just over $50,000, all the way up to the Type S Advance for nearly $74,000. So across these 6 trims, about $24,000 separates them, so hopefully there's an MDX that falls in your price range and gives you what you want. Let's look at those engine options. The base through the Advance is going to get you a 3.5 liter V6, 290 horsepower, 267 pound-feet of torque. That is not bad at all. Plenty of power to move this thing along. If you go for the Type S trims, you're going to get significantly more power with a 3 liter twin-scroll turbo V6, 355 horsepower, 354 pound-feet of torque. So getting a lot of power if you opt for those Type S's, but a lot higher of a price tag to get it. Transmission will be a 10-speed auto for either one. The base and technology comes standard with front-wheel drive, but you can get all-wheel. The rest are standard with all-wheel. Looking at MPGs, the base and technology with the front-wheel drive really is not that much different than the all-wheel drive mileage at all. If you end up with a Type S and you get that 3-liter V6, you are going to lack a little bit more with 17 city, 21 on the highway, but let's face it, you're not getting a car like that for gas mileage. Real quick guys, here are Ben's Car Reviews. I try to bring the most accurate, relevant information under 10 minutes. There's no misleading and no wasted time. That's something that's intriguing to you and you like this content as you watch, please like and subscribe so I can continue to grow the channel. Let's keep going. Another year and another stunning design from Acura. This MDX is carrying on with the looks of last year, but there's no issue with that given how wonderful it looks. I drive one of these in a heartbeat just for that reason. Acura says the long wheelbase, wide stance, and double wishbone front suspension really makes for a superb handling and performing ride. The available rear-biased, super handling all-wheel drive system is made for the best experience of the car. It's about a $4,000 add-on for those 2 trims that don't have it, the base and the technology. There are sport paddle shifters standard on all trims, which is great to see. If you want to go manual mode, aggressive front fascia with the bold Acura diamond pentagon grille. I can't decide if the Acura logo is ever too big on these models. It always looks so huge to me, but it always seems like it fits just fine. A-Spec package has a gloss black accents and 20-inch shark gray wheels. The Type S lands you a dynamic air suspension with quad exhaust outlets to really give this thing an aggressive look. You'll also get the Type S badge that lets everyone know what you're driving. Dual exhaust outlets on the remaining trims also look very good. I've always thought Acura has done the best with their light feature designs and details, and this 2024 MDX is no exception. Stunning LEDs all around, and you'll get those vibrant chicane LED taillights. LED fog lights are available as well. You'll get Brembo 4-piston brakes on the Type S trims. Not only are they going to get you that top Brembo performance, but they're going to look great tucked in those wheels. Color options are very well done, and there's some exclusive premium paint colors available for the top trims. Ordering some Acura genuine accessories allows you to outfit your MDX with more capability, such as roof racks, bike racks, and running boards. The all-wheel drive has a max towing of 5,000 pounds. There are many protection packages offered on these trims as well as optional wheels that are usually larger than the stocks and even better designed, so there's ways to make your MDX custom to you. I think the technology package will be my best bang for your buck option. It's the second trim up the ladder and will land you more elevated interior features such as leather, which we'll get into next. It's also giving you a super sharp exterior, and I love the wheel designs on it that come stock. Obviously, the top trims or even the A-Spec are seemingly the most desirable with their looks, and the performance you can get at the top, but the price tags just get so high so quick. If you can get one though, then absolutely do it because it would be a blast, and you'll be decked out on the interior bells and whistles as well. But one last thing I want to point out, if you get the technology package and you option in all-wheel drive, you'll be nearing $58K, which will get you, pretty close to that A-Spec, which already has all-wheel drive as well. So, and all the rest of that it brings. So just saying, it makes it difficult to choose. If you thought the exterior was nice, the interior is delivering the luxury too. There's 3 rows in this rig and allows seating for 7, so you and everyone else can enjoy what it's offering. A 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen is standard. It sits atop your dash with a cool look and is said to be easy to use. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto are standard. Next to it is a 12.3-inch driver's digital gauge cluster. Again, easy to read, the graphics are appealing. There's also an available 10.5-inch heads-up display. So if you're getting the options to have all of this, you're getting a lot of screen, space and a lot of ways to see what you need to see. This interior can really be outfitted with high quality materials such as French stitching, open pore wood, real metal trim, and real grain Milano leather. The espresso color scheme that Acura is clearly showing off the most here looks great. The red is also a sinister look. The wide panoramic moonroof is standard on every trim. How about that? And get this, you're also getting a standard wireless charger. I know, blows my mind too. The center stack is done well, and all the controls are easy to read and get to. There's available 16-way power adjustable seats, along with heated and ventilated front seats. All trims will get an ELS studio audio system with varying amounts of speakers from 9 to 16. However, the Type S Advance gets the ELS Studio 3D Signature Edition that has 25 carbon speakers, including 6 that will be above your head to really give you, that superb sound that is really done well, like surround sound. Acura sets you up well also with many standard driver's assist, safety and technology features, and more available. Overall, I think Acura did these setups pretty well. High price tags always deserve a lot, and I worry when I see several trims because usually the base gets gypped, even if it's $40K. So it's good to see that didn't really happen here. Definitely some standard features on the low trims that you don't usually get. So well done, Acura. In review, guys, if you're in the market for a vehicle like this here in 2024, you're really liking what Acura is bringing to the table with this MDX, both design and features, you want to know what's going up against, say the best comparisons here would be the BMW X5, Volvo XC90, and definitely the Genesis GV80. Definitely more on the luxury side. Those are going to offer even more luxury beyond this, and more performance, depending on which one you get. All offering different things, but in the end, price tags could, be the most comparable. Not to mention just the size of the vehicle and what they offer fundamentally. Those would be the best comparisons, and they're all offering great things in their own way. So definitely any of them could be a great option. But if you're set on this Acura, Acura's been doing a great job for a long time. Definitely a reliable vehicle that should last you a very long time. So if you go with this, you should be making a great decision. And hopefully you can get one that you really love. You can get your hands on one of those top trims. I'd be super jealous. You should let me review it. Hope this video laid things out in a clear way for you guys. Thank you for watching this Benz car review. Please subscribe if not already. If you have an idea for a future review, drop in the comments and I'll see what I can do. If you'd like to become a member of the channel, I have that option now. Check that out and join if you'd like, and I'll catch you on the next Benz car review.